Alright, today we're going to be continuing the leetcode 250 list. I currently have one more problem for sliding window, which is sliding window maximum. I did look at it earlier, so I have a bit of an idea. I don't really know the solution, so we're going to go along with that. Hopefully, if I have time afterwards, we'll see how long that one takes. I want to get started on the stack problems because there's 15 of them. But yeah, let's just go ahead and get into it. Okay, so I've been looking at this problem. I pretty much know the brute force method, which would be O of n times k times complexity and O of n space complexity, but I've been trying to do better than that. And in my head, I have an O of n time complexity solution and an O of 1 space complexity. But that makes me think it's not going to work when I try it, because these hints here say to use a double-ended Q, but in my head, I don't think you need that. And so, so I don't think this is going to work, but I might as well try it. Okay, so it turns out I was really overcomplicating things. For some reason, I was just trying to use pointers for the whole thing, even though no matter what, we have an output result array, so it's going to be O of n space complexity no matter what. So yeah, even though the hints told me to try and use a double-ended Q, I don't know why I wanted to not do that. And that led me down a really big rabbit hole. But overall, I think I had like the general idea correct for this problem. But yeah, I ended up just having to chat GPT it because it's been over an hour. It's been an hour and like 10 minutes. And I feel like I was just wasting time at that point. And I'm glad I did, because I don't think there was any hope with that solution. But yeah, I looked at this solution. Makes a lot more sense than what I was trying to do. So yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and take a break, and maybe I'll come back to this in a sec. Alright, I'm back, and so with that, I have officially finished the sliding window portion of leetcode 250. There are definitely some problems that I need to come back to. I'd say like the last 3, maybe last 4 I should come back to. But for now, I'm gonna go ahead and start working on the stack problems. And so yeah, hopefully there's 15 problems. I'm hoping to get them done maybe in a few days. I could probably do all these easy ones right now, and maybe I'll move on to the mediums if I have enough time. So let's get into it. Alright, so I'm on problem 225, which is to implement a stack using queues. And I think I'm just going to skip it because, I don't know, I don't really like these kinds of problems. It says that you can literally use a list. And in Python, a stack is basically just a list. So basically I would be using a stack to make a stack, and then it says it's trying to like push you to do a queue instead. But either way, I don't really see how this problem would really help me in an interview. Maybe I'm missing out on some gold here, but I'm just gonna go ahead and skip it. Okay, so I just finished leetcode 155. And honestly, I think I'm gonna call it here because I skipped the third and fourth problem for the leetcode 250 list on the stack section because I didn't really feel like I was going to learn anything from them. And this min stack question, I feel like kind of encapsulated both of them and was a lot more difficult. So I feel like maybe this makes up for it. I don't know, maybe it doesn't. But anyways, that's probably it for today as far as leetcode goes. Yeah, but I'll be back tomorrow and maybe try and get like 3 to 4 mediums done. Yeah, so thank you.